Ladies and gentlemen, today we gather to reflect upon a timeless truth that has echoed through the ages and has been championed by some of the greatest minds in history: the importance of using our time wisely. From the ancient philosophers to modern-day visionaries, this concept has been emphasized time and time again, serving as a beacon of wisdom for all who seek to lead fulfilling and purposeful lives. We gather to contemplate a subject that has intrigued and inspired humanity for centuries: time. From the ancient philosophers to modern-day visionaries, the concept of time has been a central theme in our quest to understand the nature of existence and our place in the universe. It is a subject that has captivated the minds of some of the greatest thinkers in history, and their words continue to resonate with us to this day. Let us begin our journey through the annals of time with the wisdom of the ancient Stoic philosopher, Marcus Aurelius, who famously remarked, "Waste no more time arguing about what a good man should be. Be one." In these profound words, Aurelius reminds us of the fleeting nature of time and the importance of using it wisely. Instead of getting caught up in debates and discussions, we must strive to embody the virtues we hold dear and make a positive impact on the world around us. From ancient philosophers to modern-day leaders, the importance of discipline has been a recurring theme in the narratives of success and achievement. Let us begin our exploration of this timeless principle with the words of the great Roman emperor and Stoic philosopher, Marcus Aurelius, who famously wrote, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength." In these words, Aurelius encapsulates the essence of discipline: the ability to control one's thoughts, emotions, and actions, regardless of external circumstances. It is through discipline that we find the inner strength to persevere in the face of adversity and to stay true to our goals and values. Similarly, the renowned Renaissance polymath Leonardo da Vinci once said, "Iron rusts from disuse. Stagnant water loses its purity and in cold weather becomes frozen. Even so does inaction sap the vigor of the mind." In this analogy, Da Vinci highlights the corrosive effects of lack of discipline and inaction. Just as iron rusts when not used, so too does the mind lose its sharpness and vitality when not challenged and exercised through disciplined action. Moving forward in history, we encounter the wisdom of the American founding father Benjamin Franklin, who famously said, "By failing to prepare, you are preparing to fail." In this simple yet profound statement, Franklin emphasizes the importance of discipline in the pursuit of success. It is through careful planning, diligent effort, and unwavering commitment that we are able to achieve our goals and fulfill our potential. In the modern era, this sentiment has been echoed by countless leaders and innovators who have achieved remarkable success in their respective fields. From business magnates like successful individuals across various fields continue to echo the sentiment of discipline. Business magnate Warren Buffett once stated, "Chains of habit are too light to be felt until they are too heavy to be broken." This emphasizes the cumulative effect of disciplined habits, which may seem insignificant at first but eventually shape our lives profoundly. Furthermore, tennis legend Serena Williams famously remarked, "I've learned to stay calm and focused under pressure. This has helped me in my career as well as my personal life." Williams' words highlight the importance of discipline in maintaining composure and focus, especially in high-pressure situations. In essence, the wisdom of these famous individuals underscores the transformative power of discipline. It is not merely a virtue but a key ingredient for success, enabling individuals to overcome challenges, stay focused on their goals, and ultimately realize their fullest potential. In the modern era, this sentiment has been echoed by countless leaders and innovators who have achieved remarkable success in their respective fields. From business magnates like Steve Jobs, who famously said, "Your time is limited, don't waste it living someone else's life," to motivational speakers like Tony Robbins, who urges us to live life fully while you're here. Experience everything. Take care of yourself and your friends. Have fun. Be crazy. Be weird. Go out and screw up. You're going to anyway, so you might as well enjoy the process. The message is clear. Time is precious, and it is our responsibility to make the most of it. But perhaps no one has articulated the importance of time more eloquently than the poet Robert Frost, who wrote, "The woods are lovely, dark, and deep, but I have promises to keep and miles to go before I sleep." In these lines, Frost reminds us of the journey that is life, full of beauty and wonder, but also full of challenges and responsibilities. It is up to us to seize the moment, to embrace the opportunities that come our way, and to make the most of the time we have been given. In conclusion, let us heed the words of these wise individuals and commit ourselves to making the most of our time. Let us embrace each day as a gift, a chance to make a positive impact on the world and leave a lasting legacy for future generations. And let us remember that in the end, it is not the years in our lives that matter, but the life in our years. As we embark on this journey of exploration, let us first delve into the words of the great Stoic philosopher Seneca, who famously remarked, "It is not that we have a short time to live, but that we waste a lot of it." These words, spoken over 2,000 years ago, still ring true today. They serve as a powerful reminder that our time on this earth is finite, and it is our duty to make the most of every precious moment. Similarly, the renowned Renaissance thinker Leonardo da Vinci once said, "Time stays long enough for anyone who will use it." In these simple yet profound words, Da Vinci encapsulates the essence of effective time management. Time is a resource available to us all, but it is up to us to make the most of it. Those who use their time wisely will find that it stretches far beyond their expectations, allowing them to accomplish great things and leave a lasting legacy. Moving forward in history, we encounter the wisdom of Benjamin Franklin, one of the founding fathers of the United States, who famously said, "Lost time is never found again." In this succinct statement, Franklin captures the irrevocable nature of time. Once it is gone, it cannot be reclaimed. Therefore, it is incumbent upon us to make every moment count, to seize the opportunities that come our way, and to pursue our goals with unwavering determination. In the modern era, this sentiment has been echoed by countless leaders and innovators who have achieved remarkable success in their respective fields. From business magnates like Warren Buffett, who famously said, "The more you learn, the more you earn." To tech visionaries like Steve Jobs, who urged us to stay hungry, stay foolish, the message is clear. Continuous self-improvement and relentless pursuit of our passions are the keys to unlocking our full potential. But perhaps no one has articulated the importance of using our time wisely more eloquently than the poet Robert Frost, who wrote, "Two roads diverged in a wood, and I took the one less traveled by, and that has made all the difference." In these lines, Frost reminds us that life is full of choices, and the paths we choose to take will shape our destinies. By choosing to use our time wisely, by taking the road less traveled, we open ourselves up to a world of endless possibilities and opportunities for growth. In conclusion, let us heed the words of these wise individuals and commit ourselves to using our time wisely. Let us embrace each day as a gift, a chance to make a positive impact on the world and leave a lasting legacy for future generations. And let us remember that in the end, it is not the years in our lives that matter, but the life in our years. Thank you.